Hello, my name is Larry Martin and I'm a Solutions Consultant with Beyond 20. Today I want to walk you through a video on a new feature in version 9.4 that's just been released that I think is a pretty cool feature. This feature is the ability to allow you to export a relationship diagram for a business object. And so I'm going to show you what we're doing here. We're going to go in and create a new blueprint. We're going to pick a business object, and I'm choosing work unit just because it has a small number of relationships. So we're going to go to work unit, we're going to edit relationships, and so here we see we've got 3, 6, 7 relationships here. Notice this tab up here. We've got a grid view of the relationships, which is kind of what we're used to seeing. Then we have this diagram view. And now we can see that we have a one-to-many relationship to our service catalog. We've got a one-to-many relationship to task, one-to-many here, etc., etc. So this is all nice, but how do I export it? Well, there's nothing in the File menu. You can export the grid, but I want to export this diagram. And if you go through the menus, you won't see anything, or at least I didn't whenever I looked through here. But then I thought, you know what happens if I just right-click, and there it is. So you bring up your diagram view, right-click on it, and export. Now the cool thing is, you've got a couple of different formats. You can export it in an Autodesk, Adobe PDF, Scalable Vector Graphics, Visio XML, and Visio 2013. So you can export this and bring it into a Visio. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and export this as PDF because I haven't actually done that yet. And I do want to see what the end result looks like. So we're just going to call this Work Unit Relationships. We'll save it. Wow, exported, and we can OK or view the file. And I don't have a PDF viewer on my demo server, so I apologize for that. Let's see, what other, that's interesting. You do have to be in the white space to export, and it looks like these lines extend about I don't know, 8-10 pixels out on either side. So I cannot right click here and get the export menu. So let's try this in one other format. I don't have anything on my system to actually look at these, so I'm going to paste this over my desktop and I will open it over there, and there we go. There is our diagram. So anyhow, I just wanted to put a video together this week, and I thought, why not just look at one of the new features in version 9.4. I had heard that some people were not able to export the grids, and the documentation said that it was totally doable, so I figured, let's go see if we can figure out how to do it. Anyhow, I hope you find this video useful. Again, use this to document your systems. Might even come in handy with some troubleshooting at times. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do produce videos on a regular basis. If you have questions, feel free to tweet us or post a comment in our YouTube channel, or even email us, and someone will respond, and or we will create a video showing you the answer to your question. Thank you.